Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a challenge set out by Tappingflamingo, whose link will be in the description. And she gives us a word each month, and then we do any kind of video based on that word that we would like to do. The word today is travel, and I often travel with Daisy Blythe, not only in the vehicle, but on my bicycle. I take her for the last couple of years, last year for sure, I've been taking her a lot of places. In 2000, let me fix her little shirt because Beth Ramston made this and it is adorable. In 2022, Daisy has already gone to Boston, Massachusetts, where she met Carrie and Eli from Ink Pads Play Pad, and Jamie from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. And then we went to Florida and we met Wednesday and Gilly. And this month, well, last month and this month, we did 2 trips to South Dakota back and forth. We actually have a home in South Dakota and a home in Missouri, so that's not an uncommon trip. So that's my little Daisy, and she's a sweetheart, and she has her peace sign because she just loves everybody, and it's cute on the bike trail. After traveling to Florida in the traffic before we went to South Dakota, I had Darren make kind to me a new hand. Yes, it is. You can see that. So now we have a code, and we don't really do it, but we have a code, and my dolls ride in the console, you know, between the seats and like in the cup holder. And if somebody cuts us off or something, the other one will say, "Get the doll, just get the doll." And every Monday, Vicki travels with me, and this is how she goes. Why? Because I go to our, oh, stand up, Vicki. She says, "I don't have shoes, you didn't put me in the stand right." Because I go to the library carrying my little knitting bag that Kim from Winsley's World had given me in a Happy Mail. And I take her along because I often work on, oh, I thought I had something in here that I was working on. It's in the other room. So to prepare for that, I really do have a tub of clothes when we go on vacation. It's just like a shoebox. And hairbrush, change of clothes, because, you know, the dolls can't wear the same thing 2 days and get their pictures taken. Who would want to do that? And Vicki, she goes like this inside my bag, and she's kind of one of the gals at the crochet and knitting. Actually, it's any kind of needlework you want to do. Often I take like clothes I've been working on that still need snaps or a little bit of hand stitching and try them on Vicki and sit and talk and do that. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Terry, for setting up this travel video today. I hope you will go see not only Terry's videos, but everyone who uses the hashtag BeCreative Travel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.